Raw hair quality and maintenance. Complete guide from sourcing to styling. Raw human hair has become the gold standard in the hair extension industry, especially for customers who value durability, natural appearance, and long-term performance. However, many buyers still struggle to understand what truly defines raw hair quality and how to maintain it properly. From sourcing methods to daily care routines, every step plays a critical role in how long your hair lasts and how natural it looks. This guide explores raw hair quality and maintenance in depth, helping you make informed decisions and get the most value from your investment. https://raw-hair-quality-and-maintenance/ #raw hair luxury, #raw hair quality and maintenance, #premium raw human hair, #natural raw hair bundles, #raw hair supplier.